Yes, the next topic, okay, the main topic we are discussing is permutation. What is it? Permutation. The word permutation means arrangement. What is it? Arrangement. If we are arranging R objects out of n objects, R objects out of n objects is denoted by NPR. Here P stands for permutation and this is total number of objects and this is one required one. We are arranging R objects out of n. It is called NPR and the formula for NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, n factorial by n minus r factorial, and this can be also represented as p and r, but the general notation is NPR. What is NPR means? Arranging r objects out of n. If we are arranging 2 objects out of 8 objects, it can be written as 8p2. If we are arranging 3 objects out of 5, we can write 5p3. Okay, what is the formula? 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. Okay, for example, we have 7 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if we have to arrange a 3-digit number, okay, then how many ways a 3-digit can be formed out of 7 digits? The same question we have done in the principle of counting. Okay, but using permutation also we can discuss that question. Okay, then using counting, you know what is the method? 7 into 6 into 5. Okay, and according to permutation, total we have 7 objects. For a 3-digit number, we have to arrange 3 numbers. Okay, that is arrangement of 3 out of total 7, which is denoted by 7p3. What is 7p3? 7 factorial by 7 minus 3, that is 4 factorial. We can write 7 factorial as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial, 4 cancel, it becomes 7 into 6 into 5, which is same as the principle of counting. You can choose any method, which one is easy, you can select that method, either permutation or principle of counting, both are same. Okay, but in the case of permutation, we have 3 conditions. Okay, note the condition very carefully, the 3 conditions. The first one, the repetition is not allowed. Okay, repetition is not allowed. If the repetition is not allowed, okay, that is the general permutation, NPR. Arrangement of R objects out of n, NPR. Here in this case, the repetition of the digits is not allowed, or repetition of the object is not allowed. Okay, and if the repetition of the digits is allowed, we know out of 7 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, out of these 7 digits, okay, how will you find a 3-digit number? If the repetition is allowed, you know, if the repetition is allowed, for the first place we have 7 chances, for the second place again we have 7 chances, and the fourth place again 7, 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, according to permutation, it is called, we are arranging 7, okay, or repeating 7 3 times, that is 7 raised to 3, that is for the arrangement of R objects out of n objects. If the repetition is allowed, the formula is n raised to r. Don't forget, if the repetition is not allowed, the formula is NPR, which is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. And if the repetition is allowed, then the formula becomes n raised to r. N raised to r. Okay, n raised to r. Okay, and you note the condition. Okay, if a pure 3-digit number is formed, the 2 digits are there, repetition is allowed, repetition is not allowed. And another conditions, if it is an even number, odd number, okay, and it cannot start by the number 0. Okay, we cannot start a number using the digit 0. You note the 3 conditions in permutation also. Okay, and we can do one, and the third condition, so the third condition, okay, in how many ways? In how many ways we can arrange the letter of the word Malayalam? See, Malayalam. See, what is the specialty of Malayalam? Yeah, yam. How many times? Yam. M is repeating 2 times. What about A? A how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, then L. 2 times. Then another letter Y only 1 times. Then total how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 letters are there. Out of these 9 letters, not all the letters, some letters are repeating. The first condition in permutation is the object is not repeated. The second condition on permutation is the digits can be repeated. And the third condition, not all the digits or all the objects, out of the given objects, only some objects are repeating. And the condition is the total number of objects. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then answer is 9 factorial divided by. Okay, then we have to divide the identical letters. See, m 2 times, we have to divide by 2 factorial. A 4 times, 4 factorial. L 2 times, 2 factorial. And y is not repeating. And this is the answer. This is the third condition. Okay, and we can do one more question. See, how will you arrange the letters better? Okay, then you see here all the objects are not repeating. It is not the second condition. But some of the objects are repeating. Which are the objects? E and T. E 2 times, T 2 times. The total how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how many ways we can arrange this? Is 6 factorial, not over, by E 2 times. We have to divide by 2 factorial. T 2 times, that is 2 factorial. The answer is 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Is it okay? These are the 3 conditions in the topic permutation. The word permutation means arrangement. Don't forget arrangement. Okay, if the word arrangement is there in the question, you have to use the topic permutation or the principle of counting. And 3 main conditions are there. The first condition, the repetition is not allowed. Second one, all the objects are repeating. And the third one, only few objects, some objects are repeating. Is it okay? Then we can do one special type question. All the other similar question we have done in the first exercise, that is principle of counting. See the question. NP5 equal to 42 NP3. Find n if n is greater than 4. We can use the formula NP5. What is NP5? N factorial by n minus 5 factorial equal to 42 into NP3. What is NP3? N factorial by n minus 3 factorial. N factorial by n minus 3 factorial. Is it okay? Yes. We can write n in terms of n minus 5. How? N into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 and n minus 5 factorial whole divided by n minus 5 factorial equal to 42 into, and similarly we can convert the numerator in terms of the denominator n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial by n minus 3 factorial. From the numerator and denominator we can cancel n minus 3 factorial and n minus 5 factorial. And from the left side and right side we can cancel the common term n minus 1 and n minus 2. Is it okay? And we will get n minus 3 into n minus 4 equal to 42. What is n minus 3 into n minus 4 by changing the bracket? N square minus 4n minus 3n minus 7n minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12 equal to 42, or n square minus 7n plus 12 minus 42, that is minus 30 equal to 0. Okay, that is n square minus 7n minus 30 equal to 0. Okay, you can solve this equation either by using quadratic formula or by using factorization. Do you know the number? Sum of the two numbers negative 7 and product of the two numbers negative 30. Yes, we know the number negative 10 and 3. If you don't know the number, okay, don't worry, you can solve this by using quadratic formula. That is n minus 10 into n plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, n minus 10 into n plus 3 equal to 0. If n minus 10 equal to 0, we will have n is equal to 10. n minus 10 0 means n equal to 10. n plus 3 equal to 0 means n equal to minus 3. And here n is the total number of objects. The number of objects will not be negative. We can take n is equal to 10. We got the answer n equal to 10. Is it clear? Then one more question we can discuss. Okay, if np4 divided by n minus 1p4 equal to 5 by 3. Find n, and here also n is greater than 4. That is also given in the question. N greater than 4. Okay, then how will you find n? We can use the formula np4. What is it? N factorial by n minus 4 factorial divided by n minus 1 p4 means n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 4. What is n minus 1 minus 4? Yes, n minus 5 factorial equal to 5 by 3. Equal to 5 by 3. Then dividing a fraction by another fraction means we can multiply by the reciprocal. Then how will you write n factorial in terms of n minus 4 the denominator? n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, then n minus 4 factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial into the reciprocal. Okay, n minus 5 factorial by, we can write n minus 1 in terms of n minus 5, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, then n minus 5 factorial equal to 5 by 3. Cancelling this. Okay, and again we can cancel. Yes, n minus 1 cancelled, n minus 2 cancelled, n minus 3 cancelled. Okay, then what is remaining? Here n by 4. That is n by n minus 4 equal to 5 by 3. Okay, cross multiply. We can cross multiply. Then by cross multiplying it becomes 3n equal to 5 into n minus 4. That is 3n equal to 5n minus 20, or 20 equal to 5n minus 3n, 2n, or n equal to 10. Okay, and from the previous question we got n equal to 10, and this question also we got n equal to 10. That doesn't mean n is always 10. Accidentally it happened, and in these two questions n equal to 10. Okay, I hope these two questions are clear for you, and similar many questions are there in the exercise. We can do one by one.